Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to redeem Fortnite V-Buck card. Now the first thing is this. A Fortnite V-Buck card is a physical card that can be used or purchased actually at authorized retail stores. It contains a code that when redeemed adds a specific amount of V-Bucks to your Fortnite account. V-Bucks are the in-game currency we use in Fortnite to purchase cosmetic items like skins, emotes and the battle pass. Now how do we redeem this? And the first thing you need to do is to redeem a Fortnite beginner card. Follow the following steps which I'm about to lay out. Go to the Fortnite V-Bucks card website, which is the official one is www.fortnite.com/vbuckscard ? Lang =en is it mine en small letter en dash capital letter US, or you can simply sign into your Epic Games account, which is enter Epic Games username and password account. That is the way I did here. Let me show you how to do that. So you click on from your browser www.epicgames.com, it will bring you here, and from here you just simply go to redeem code and click on redeem code. It brings you to this place, and then you see redeem your V-Buck card. Then you click on this, and then you can see Fortnite redeem your V-Buck card. Click on get started, and then say turn over your alright. This is my name. It's supposed to be total chaos, but you can see my wonderful spelling. Anyways, A is here, the O is here. That's not important. Anyway, let's do this. So you turn over your card and scratch off the security covering. Since you log into every account, please enter the code from the back of your V card below. Then choose device you play your Fortnite on. Enter the code, click on next, and then you choose the device. So let's say this is the code. This is not actually the code, so it's not actually going to work. But you know what I mean. And then next thing, you click on next. As you can see, the code doesn't look valid, so I have to put in the right one. But anyway, let me still walk you through it. After putting the right code, then you click on confirm. It's as simple as that. Remember, you put in the code, that is the pin at the back of the card, and then please enter it exactly as it appears without any spaces or dashes. Then you select the platform where you play the device on, the game on, which is, it could be PS, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch. So where you want to use the V-Bucks, and then you review the details, make sure you review the details very well, and then click confirm to add the V-Bucks to that account. So this is the first way you can do it. The second way you can do it is you can use your Fortnite account, that is www.fortnite.com. do that to take you here. So this is Fortnite.com, take you here, click on this and it will take you to this place, and then from here click on your profile icon at the top. Then you see redeem V-Bucks card, click on V-Bucks card, and to bring you to the same place, and you do follow the same steps. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. But before I go, let me give you something. It's a little tip. V-Bucks cards are actually region specific, so make sure you're using a V-Bucks card for your region, and they are also platform specific. So the V-Bucks card you redeem will be added to a specific platform you selected, and it also expires. So redeem your card as soon as possible to avoid missing out on your V-Bucks on the V-Bucks. And if you encounter any issues at all with the redemption process, you can contact Epic Games support for assistance. So that's it. See you in the next video. Bye for now.